Hi guys, welcome back. I have done quite a lot of what's in my bag, what's in my work bag, those kinds of videos, and I think everyone seems to really enjoy them. One thing that I've kind of shared before, but I also wanted to share again is how I stock my purses, because if I am constantly switching them out, I want to have a little stockpile of all of the things I like to keep in there, and this is my little stockpile. So it's kind of like my purse stocking station kit. I don't know what you want to call it. I can't remember if I saw this from someone on TikTok. I probably did. I don't know if this is an original idea, but I thought I would share what's in mine. This is basically all my purse and work bag essentials that I like to have with me, and if I run out of something, I will just take something from here because I have lots of backups. But yeah, let's get into it. Got this cute little woven basket from either Target or Amazon. So cute. First off, I have some disposable tongue cleaners. These, if you don't use a tongue cleaner already, you should be, because bad breath in dental hygiene, it just, like, you need a tongue scraper. Look at this. It's like, it basically just scrapes your tongue. And I use one day and night at home, but also I find that I want to use them more in the middle of the day too. So, you know, I'm out and about and I need to use them. Like, they help so much freshen your breath and just like get bacteria, bad bacteria out of your mouth. So these are a new favorite. Next, I have some glasses. So I don't actually own that many sunglasses. I say that and I have like 4 pairs. Like, I only own 5 pairs of sunglasses total. I have one more, but they're not in here. I have these little cheap ones from Amazon, which these are great if you have a small face and if you want something affordable. That's the brand. I don't know, but I'll link them if I remember. And my Ray-Ban hexagon ones. I love these. A staple. I've had these forever, but I just feel like they look so classic. Like, I don't think they go out of style, but that's just my opinion. I have some really big ones that remind me of like Audrey Hepburn glasses. These don't really suit me too well, but these are like my cheap ones for if I'm going in the pool or whatever and I don't want them to get ruined or lost. So I have these. And then I have these, which I love. Oh, dang it, they're not in here. Okay, well, I have some glasses in here. They're from Warby Parker, but they're not in here at the moment. I need to find them, but I love those a lot too. So I will find them and show you guys one day. Also a good staple for my girls with the small faces. Next, I have just some tissues. I've had like the worst allergies recently, so these have been wonderful. And I've already like used up quite a few packs. So these are just great for allergy, cold, flu season. Oh, I have another pair of sunglasses. These are like really cheap from Amazon. They're so dirty, but these are from like forever ago, and these are again like if I need to go in the pool or whatever and want to avoid getting my sunglasses damaged. Pretty much always have something along the lines of like a summer's eve feminine wipes type of situation. These are great for obviously like that time of the month, or just like general cleaning when you're going to the restroom. Awesome. I always use those, carry those with me. Something new I actually started adding were these shout wipes, because I drop food on myself all the time and I wear a lot of white, so these are great for stains. So awesome. And yeah, I have like a whole pack of these now and I've already used a bunch. Like, I have literally 2 left, so these are great. Of course, I've shown these before. My Touchland hand sanitizers. The one I'm currently using is the watermelon one, but I have these 2, or these 3, the vanilla, and I think this is coconut. Yeah, coconut and vanilla. Delicious. These are just so fun and also like aesthetic. Love them. I guess going along with that, more hand stuff. I have some hand cream. I got this in Iceland. I don't even recognize that brand, but if you know me, I have to have hand cream, and I just have some more hand cream again. Another hand sanitizer. This one's Purell though, so this is like the OG ones before COVID that were really, really good. I have Burt's Bees hand salve. I don't know, same situation, same concept as the hand cream. I can't stand my hands being dry, so have to have something, and if I need something smaller, I'll carry that. And some lip products. So I have like a bunch of just random lip balms. These are not like my favorite, but I have a variety in here to grab from. So I have like a Burt's Bees one. this Vaseline one, this CeraVe one, which is like pretty much Vaseline or Aquaphor for your lips. I think that's all of them. Yeah, those are the lip balms I have in there right now. For protection, I have a Whistle and pepper spray. I have a pink pepper spray currently in my bag right now, and this Whistle is so loud for dangerous situations. I have those. I mean, if you're a girl, you gotta have it, you know? I recently also started carrying a little powder compact with me, so I have some extra puffs if I need. These are just in a pack from Amazon. These are like really, really affordable, and those are nice too if I need to reapply powder. I rarely do, but sometimes it's just a little bit under my eyes. I need a bit more, so those are awesome. I have this Bumble and Bumble like Preda powder. It's like a dry shampoo kind of mist, and this I like because it's a little bit more like non-toxic than like an aerosol spray. It makes your hair feel a little grimy, but this is good for like a gym bag type of situation if you need to get out any oils or you're going out after the gym. So I have that. You know, I love the Le Pen pens. I have 4 of them in here as my little backups because I just have to have them. These are all like fresh brand new pens that I love. So yeah, these are just my favorite pen ever, and I have to have them in every bag. Random, but I have a stash of $2 bills. I pretty much always have a $2 bill on me for good luck. I don't know, I've just always done that since I started driving and like carrying a wallet with me. So I have 2 extra ones just in case. Little packs of like ibuprofen or Midol. Those are always good for work if I'm getting a headache or something. Cuticle oils. These are awesome because I get my nails done and I like to have like a little bit of shine, or if I'm bored I just like use one of these. It's like just fun, I don't know, like pampering myself in the middle of the day. Or if I'm wearing like sandals and my toes are out and I need some kind of moisture on my toes, this is also great. And last but not least, everything else is fragrance related. I mean, surprise, surprise, like of course, I pretty much always have a container of fragrance samples to throw in my purse if I don't want to carry one of my like travel sized ones. So always trying out new perfumes. You guys know me, but the ones I have right now are, I have like a really old Daisy by Marc Jacobs one. I'm almost out of that. This one by Escada, also very old. I haven't used that actually in a while. Vanilla Skin by Fleur. I'm trying to use this up. It's not my favorite scent in the world. And then the Ariana Grande Mod and Mod Blush. No, Mod Vanilla and Mod Blush. And then I have this one, which is like a refillable travel perfume. And it has nothing in it right now. Everything in my purse little restock station. Hopefully that was helpful or fun or gave you a good idea on how to better organize your life. I love little weird stuff like this, being super type A and organized. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful and you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.